Hello everyone, welcome back to Sujit Analytics. This is a continuation of SQL Tutorials. In this tutorial, I'll explain data types in SQL. I forgot to explain this concept before, but now I'm explaining these data types. First, let's understand what is data type. Data type, data type tells what type of data that a column can hold. This string where a data type tells what type of data that the column can hold. This string data type varchar string numeric and wait time data type. Data type tells what type of data that a column can hold. Is it a string or a numeric or a date time data type? So this data types is concerned in SQL Server. There are mainly three types of data types, which is string, numeric, and date time data types. Let's understand each data type. First, we try to understand the string data types, which is varchar, char, nvarchar, and text. Here, varchar is a variable length character string. It can hold any type of characters, which is variable length. This varchar data type, we have to give the length, number of characters we can store in this data type. Suppose if I want to store 100 characters, I have to give 100. Suppose if I want to store 10 characters, I have to give 10. So this is varchar stores variable length characters. Coming to char is a length character string. Means if you give any length to this data type, it stores fixed number of characters. Suppose if I give char 10, if I specify char 10 as a data type, we store 5 characters, will consume the space for the 10 characters. The extra space are replaced with the empty spaces. This fixed length character string. The difference between the varchar and char is varchar is a variable in character string, uses same amount of space we store. But char stores a fixed length character string. We give 10 characters, it will store 10 characters, space for the 10 characters. Nvarchar is a variable length Unicode string. Unicode string means it can store Unicode data, real characters or any other Unicode data we can store using nvarchar. The text data type is to store long sentences, characters where we want to store large amount of data. Use long sentences. This is about string data types. Coming to numeric. Numeric, we have four data types: small int, float, and a decimal. Small int is used to store the values from minus 32 1068 to is 32,000 um, characters. Means it can store only in this range. It cannot store, extend, or reduce this size, reduce these characters. So int is used to store large numbers, more than this. You can store more than these numbers. If notice a data we can store decimal numbers, floating point numbers, and decimal is used to store decimal point numbers. This is a precision and is a scale. P stands for precision, S stands for scale. Precision means number of digits we want to store. Here, scale means number of digits after decimal point. This is about decimal. This is about numeric data types. Next, the date and data types. This data type used to store date values, like today date or previous date. You can store date values. You cannot store time. Store time component use date and data type. And store date time values. So there is no difference. Let's create a table using this data types for separate use data for one table and table for character data types and one table for data and data types. Let's create a table. Create table. First I'm creating for the string data types. First I'm giving string. In first one ID. Being varchar. The number of characters is 30. It can store only 30 characters now. And ID phone number. For phone number, I'm giving char, which is fixed than character string. And the giving n varchar. 30. And then the description giving text data type. Execute it. Now the table is created. Let's create table for same other data types. Numeric table numeric. I'm giving table name as numeric types. Giving ID as int. Giving int for ID as small int. For salary, give float. Bonus, I'm giving small. Vision 10 characters. Scale is executed. Getting the table. I'm created the table which is numeric data types. Next, I'll create a table for date time data types. Date table. Table name is date types. First, I'm giving ID. Let's give date of birth, DOB. I'm giving date and higher date as date time data type. So when you are giving spaces, you have to ensure give air bracket. Execute it. Command completed successfully. The table is created. This is about different data types in SQL we have. I recommend you to go through this file and share this file in the description. Write down in some notebook when you want. So you came to know how to understand how to do different data types for different columns. So that's all. Try to create tables using these all data types so you will understand. That's all. I hope you understand. If you believe you learned something today, don't forget to give a like and share with your friends who are learning SQL. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Sujit Analytics, to stay updated with my latest tutorials. And that's all. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next tutorial.